Welcome back. This is Bhavani Kola. If you're using ChatGPT like me and you have all these chats that you're really exhausted of deleting one by one, then you're in the right place. In today's session, I'll be showing this extension called ChatGPT Bulk Delete. This definitely has been very handy for me. Once you download this extension, all you have to do is click on Add Checkboxes. Go ahead, check the chats that you want to delete. You do have an option to toggle between checkboxes, remove checkboxes. I'm just going to check all of these. You can click Control Shift and select all of these. And once you selected these, all I have to do is click on Bulk Delete, and right in front of your eyes, you'll see this magic happen. It's automatically deleting all the chats that I do not want to be in my chat history. There you go. It automatically deletes everything. And within seconds, my chat window or my chat navigation tool is completely how I want it to be. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, download your ChatGPT Bulk Delete and just delete those unwanted chats. Like always, happy teaching, and please take care of yourself.